You know, Friday, I posted a video on how to join two pieces of wood together with a really strong connection using some all thread and some nuts and washers. But tonight, I wanted to focus on the tool I was using. It's a Husky pass-through ratchet. See how that slides over that? You can use it on super long bolts, you can use it on all thread. Just really versatile tool. And then it's got the thumb lever for forward and reverse, just like a regular ratchet. And then you can use it with or without this extension. But what I think makes the Husky so unique is that it comes with this. And this is a 1/4" hex bit adapter. So that pops in there just like that. So you could use a standard hex bit like this T25. And you could use it to back out screws or drive in screws. But what makes it even more versatile is you could take this socket adapter and literally convert this into a standard ratchet. 1/4" drive, 3/8 drive, 1/2" drive, just like that. And I think that's what makes the Husky such a good value, because I don't think any of the other brands actually have that 1/4" hex adapter in their kits. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.